Right, so we're just gonna put the Christmas Day, spin and put it on. Spin, see if it's gonna work this time. Might want to spin. As it spins, I'll just turn it off. Damn it. It looks really warped, but it isn't that bad. It's gonna go in a minute. Maybe those weren't working on this program. Works. Even this program's working now again as well. It's good. Right. As we know it's working. If we're lucky, there should be a wash coming out soon with I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good Christmas. Happy New Year. We might see you next year. That's if we don't do another video this year. Enjoy.